Hello students, this is Vinita Singh from St. Xavier School, Nalia. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number 1 of Standard 9, The Fun They Had Part 2, in which we are going to discuss our question and answers. So without any delay, let's start it. Our question number 1 is, answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences. Question number 1, how old are Margie and Tommy? Answer is, Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13 years. Question number 2, what did Margie write in her diary? Answer, Margie wrote in her diary today, 17 May 2157. Tommy found a real book. Our question number 3 is, had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer is no. Margie had never seen a book before. Question number 4. What thing about the book did she find strange? Answer is the book had yellow and wrinkled pages. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words move on the computer screen. She found these things very strange. Question number 5. What do you think a telebook is? A telebook is displayed on the television screen and the text of a telebook is similar to a book. Our question number 6 is, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? Answer is, Margie's school was near her own bedroom. She did not have any classmate. Question number 7, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer is, Margie learned geography and mathematics and Tommy learned Hindi and mathematics. Part 2. Answer the following with reference to the story. Question number 1. I would not throw it away. Part 1. Who says these words? Margie says these words. What does it refer to? Answer is, it refers to that real book that Tommy found. Next, what is it being compared with by the speaker? Answer is, the speaker compared it with a telebook. Question number 2. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? So, here they refer to the people of the old time. What does regular means here? Answer is, here regular refers to the mechanical teacher than they had. What is it contrasted with? Answer is, it is contrasted with a normal teacher of earlier times who was a living human being. Third part of the question answer is, answer the following question in short paragraphs. Our question number 1 in it, what kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Answer is, Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were taught on computers and television screens. They did not have a living person as a teacher who would teach the pupils in a classroom. Question number 2. What did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Why did the Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Answer is, Margie's mother sent for the county inspector because the mechanical teacher was not functioning efficiently. It had been giving her test after test in geography and she had been doing worse and worse. What did he do? Answer is, he slowed down the mechanical teacher speed up to an average 10-year level. The mechanical teacher's speed was controlled and adjusted according to the IQ level of the Margie. Question number 4. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer is, Margie had been doing badly in geography. This was because the mechanical teacher was very fast in displaying the questionnaires. The county inspector adjusted its speed up to an average 10-year level. Thus, the mechanical teacher's speed was controlled appropriately. The county inspector assured that the overall pattern of the Margi's progress was quite satisfactory. Question number 5. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer. Tommy's teacher was taken away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So, the Tommy had nothing to do during that period. He only relaxed and enjoyed. Question number 6. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes. Margie had regular days and hours for school because her mother said little girl learned better if they learned at regular hours. Question number 7 is, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer is, Tommy says that the old school were different. They had a special building and all the kids went there to study. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They enjoyed the time together and learned lesson together in a classroom. Question number 8. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? Answer is, he says that the old teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kind kids went there. They gave homework to students. They were not mechanical teachers but living human beings. Our long question answers. Question number 1. What are the main features of mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Answer is, Margie and Tommy have mechanical teachers. They need to not to go school for getting a formal educations. The mechanical teacher is placed in one of the rooms of the house and they can get the knowledge of various subjects of individually from the mechanical teachers. They don't have such classrooms where students sit together. They study from the telebooks, so they don't require books and exercise books. The examination system is very different. They do homework in a different way. Margie has to write them out in a punch code. She learned it when she was 6 years old. So the system of their education is technologically advanced and not based on printed books. Question number 2. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? So the answer is, Margie hated her school because she had a mechanical teacher. It was in her house. She was supposed to sit in that room alone to complete her home tasks or assignments. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She thought that the old schools must have been fun because the students used to sit together in the classrooms. They enjoyed, laughed, and shouted in the schoolyards. Children needed company to enhance their skill. If they are isolated, they get depressed and dejected. Question number 3. Do you agree with Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reason for your answer. Answer is, there is no doubt that today's schools are more funny than the future school discussed in the story. This school has nothing but a mechanical teacher with no emotions and sentiments. It does not have the ability to understand the psychology of a child. Moreover, it guides a pupil according to its adjusted mode. But today's school work for the overall development of a child. They learn the same thing. The teachers are real human beings. They learn how to adapt themselves to the new surroundings and cope with the strangers. The students sit and learn together. These activities don't give vent to the feelings of depression, alienation, and segregations. So thank you so much. That's all in your question series. Thank you so much.